Okay. Oh, turn on the machine and press all return back to. Back to now it's already back to original. Press here and this for calibrate. Enter. You can choose. Okay, you can choose one. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can choose which one you want to use. They are T1 to T8. Okay, we for example use the T1, T2, T3. So press one key, calibrate. System not auto, so we slowly press auto and one key clear. Okay. We back to T2. T2. Okay. Okay, now it's finished calibrate. So we press this.
警察工作人员，
So we the start point. Okay. Menu. Okay. Okay. 好。
用一把导标面。
So it's on the surface of the materials. Okay. We use the wheel. We use the wheel. Okay, the wheel on the Z. The wheel on the Z. But I used to be should use the wheel. Choose this one. And so it's clean. It clean, 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 and clean all. So XYZ be 0. Okay. 同学 Okay, so with in the NC and USB is B, so press B. We choose the one that we need. Choose the one and we load. Okay. So here and press. Okay. So we choose auto and this one. Okay, when you get machines, here is dust. You know, so you connect the dust. There are 3 keyboards. You can connect here 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is dust. This is a vacuum. Also have the 3 keyboard. You can connect here 1, 2, 3. Okay, for connect dust connector and a vacuum pump here. After this, so we press key 1, key 1 this way. Key 1 is means up and down. You see. Okay. So key 2, we press key 2. You see the duster. Key 2 is means the duster. This is we press key 2 for duster, and key 5. Key 5, press key 5. Key 5 is for vacuum. You see vacuum. So when is the machine is working, when the machine connect everything should be key 4 and key C. So the duster collector and the vacuum pipe should be on. Okay. So when you done change the bits with manual, we can press here. Okay, you see it's up. Okay. Press release and okay, take it. 好了，拿下来吧。Okay, it's here.
你是叫马桶
啥东西啊？到马桶来了。好了。